Welcome to our YouTube channel Investment Edge, where we embark on a transformative journey to unlock the incredible power of the human mind. In this series, we will explore the fascinating realm of personal growth, self-discovery, and unleashing our true potential. Are you ready to embark on a path of self-transformation, where you can overcome limitations, embrace your passions, and create the life you've always dreamed of? Join us as we delve into the depths of the mind, uncovering powerful techniques, insights, and strategies to help you thrive in every aspect of your life. Get ready to expand your horizons, challenge your beliefs, and unlock the extraordinary possibilities that lie within you. It's time to step into your greatness. Let's begin this incredible journey together. Money is a sensitive matter for many individuals, often causing contentious debates. Some people avoid discussing it altogether and instead focus solely on earning and spending. In essence, there are two types of people: those who increase their wealth and those who lose it. In this video, I will share 10 crucial money mistakes that you must absolutely avoid. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe below for more life-changing content. The truth is, keeping money is far more challenging than making it. It is not uncommon to witness individuals who come into wealth through inheritance, lotteries, or other windfalls, only to lose it quickly. A prominent example is the famous boxer Mike Tyson, who earned over $300 million in his career but declared bankruptcy in 2003, facing more than $20 million in debt. Clearly, money mistakes can occur and have devastating consequences, regardless of how much you earn. So let's delve into the 10 mistakes you should avoid at all costs. Number 1. Avoid spending on drugs or cigarettes. The financial impact of indulging in drugs or cigarettes can be significant and long-lasting. Let's take the example of smoking cigarettes. A pack of cigarettes typically costs around $9.08, as of 2021. If a person smokes a pack a day, that amounts to approximately $63.56 per week or $3,305.12 per year. This money could have been allocated towards essential expenses such as rent, groceries, bills, or even saved for future goals like buying a house or going on a vacation. Furthermore, the health consequences associated with smoking can be devastating. Cigarette smoking is a leading cause of preventable diseases such as lung cancer, heart disease, and respiratory problems. The cost of treating these health issues can be exorbitant, not to mention the impact on overall well-being and quality of life. Another example is the financial toll of drug addiction. The cost of drugs varies depending on the substance and its availability, but it can quickly drain your finances. People struggling with drug addiction often find themselves spending a significant portion of their income to sustain their habit. The consequences extend beyond financial strain, as drug addiction can lead to legal issues, damaged relationships, and impaired ability to maintain employment. It's crucial to note that the negative impact of these habits is not limited to personal finances. Governments also spend billions of dollars each year on healthcare expenses related to smoking and drug abuse, which ultimately affects taxpayers and the economy as a whole. Avoiding the mistake of spending on drugs or cigarettes requires a combination of willpower, self-discipline, and awareness of the long-term consequences. If you're currently engaged in these habits, consider seeking professional help or joining support groups to overcome addiction. By quitting smoking or staying away from drugs, you not only improve your financial well-being but also enhance your overall health and quality of life. Number 2. Avoid spending more than you earn. It can be incredibly tempting, particularly for young adults, to indulge in immediate gratification once they start earning a consistent income after college. The newfound financial freedom may lead to desires for a flashy new car, a luxurious home, or extravagant experiences. While these purchases may seem appealing, they often result in a dangerous cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. If your income is unable to sustain these excessive expenses, you may fall into the trap of lifestyle inflation, continuously increasing your living costs in line with your paycheck. It is crucial, however, to resist this temptation and adopt a more prudent approach to managing your finances. Instead of succumbing to the allure of unnecessary items and instant gratification, it's wise to focus on building wealth through long-term financial strategies. Here are some additional details and examples to help illustrate the importance of avoiding this money mistake. Building a strong financial foundation. By living within your means and spending less than you earn, you can establish a solid financial foundation. This foundation provides stability and sets the stage for future financial growth and success. Example, let's say you earn $3,000 per month after taxes. To avoid overspending, you create a budget that allocates 70% of your income for essential expenses like rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. You then dedicate 20% towards savings and investments, and the remaining 10% for discretionary spending or personal enjoyment. This disciplined approach allows you to prioritize financial stability while still enjoying some flexibility for leisure activities. Avoiding the debt trap. Spending beyond your means often leads to excessive borrowing and accumulating debt. High interest rates associated with credit cards or loans can become overwhelming, making it challenging to pay off the debt and limiting your financial options. Example: imagine you decide to finance a brand new car that costs $30,000, despite only having $10,000 in savings. To make the monthly payments, you take out a car loan with an interest rate of 8% over 5 years. By the end of the loan term, you would have paid approximately $34,000, including interest. This extra $4,000 could have been saved or invested for future goals if you had opted for a more affordable car or waited until you had sufficient funds. Long-term wealth accumulation. Instead of spending on fleeting pleasures, focusing on investments and acquiring assets can pave the way for long-term financial growth. Building wealth over time allows for greater financial security, retirement planning, and achieving significant milestones in life. Example: suppose you decide to invest a portion of your income into a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds. Over time, your investments grow, generating returns and potentially compounding your wealth. This disciplined approach helps you accumulate assets and increase your net worth, offering more financial freedom and opportunities for the future. By resisting the urge to spend more than you earn, you can avoid the pitfalls of living paycheck to paycheck, accumulating debt, and hindering your financial growth. Prioritizing financial stability, delayed gratification, and strategic investments will lay the groundwork for a secure and prosperous financial future. Number 3. Invest wisely. Investing can be a complex and daunting endeavor, often leading individuals to make hasty decisions based on tips from friends or an unfounded belief in the rapid ascent of popular stocks. Real estate, in particular, has a strong allure as an asset that promises financial security. However, it is crucial to recognize that owning an investment property does not automatically guarantee a steady income. Challenges such as missed rental payments, appliance breakdowns, or a decline in property value can impact the profitability of real estate investments. Like any investment, real estate carries inherent risks. Wise investors understand the importance of acquiring in-depth knowledge about a specific market or product before committing their hard-earned money. To emphasize the significance of investing wisely, here are additional details and example. Researching the investment opportunity. Before making any investment, it is vital to thoroughly research and understand the potential risks and benefits involved. This includes examining market trends, evaluating historical performance, and analyzing the financial stability of the investment opportunity. Example: suppose you are considering investing in a tech company. Instead of relying solely on hearsay or fleeting market trends, conduct a comprehensive analysis of the company's financial statements, competitive landscape, growth prospects, and the overall industry outlook. By gathering relevant information, you can make a more informed decision about the investment's viability and potential returns. Diversifying your investment portfolio. Putting all your eggs in one basket is a risky strategy. Wise investors understand the importance of diversification, spreading their investments across various asset classes and industries. This helps mitigate potential losses and increases the likelihood of achieving long-term financial growth. Example: rather than investing all your available funds in a single stock or real estate property, consider diversifying your portfolio by allocating funds to stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate investment trusts, REITs, or other assets. This diversified approach helps minimize the impact of any individual investment's poor performance and provides a more balanced risk-reward profile. Seeking professional advice. While it's essential to conduct your own research, seeking guidance from financial advisors or investment professionals can provide valuable insights and expertise. These professionals can offer a comprehensive understanding of the investment landscape, help assess risk tolerance, and develop a personalized investment strategy aligned with your financial goals. Example: suppose you are planning to invest a significant sum of money in the stock market but lack experience in analyzing financial statements or understanding market dynamics. Consulting with a certified financial planner or an investment advisor can provide you with expert guidance, helping you navigate the complexities of investing and make informed decisions that align with your long-term objectives. Taking a long-term perspective, wise investors understand that investing is a marathon, not a sprint. They prioritize long-term goals over short-term gains and adopt a patient approach to their investment strategies. Example: instead of constantly monitoring daily stock market fluctuations or reacting impulsively to short-term market volatility, wise investors focus on the long-term performance of their investments. They understand that market fluctuations are natural and that a well-diversified portfolio can withstand temporary downturns, ultimately delivering favorable returns over an extended period. By acquiring proper knowledge, conducting thorough research, diversifying investments, seeking professional advice, and maintaining a long-term perspective, investors can make more informed decisions and mitigate the risks associated with investing. Wise investing maximizes the potential for financial growth and helps individuals achieve their financial goals over time. Number 4. Avoid following get-rich-quick schemes. Engaging in get-rich-quick schemes can have devastating financial consequences. These schemes, including Ponzi schemes, pyramid schemes, or overnight money-making offers, are designed to exploit individuals by promising extraordinary profits in a short period. However, they often lead to financial loss and disappointment for participants. To protect your hard-earned money, it is crucial to be wary of any opportunity that guarantees high returns with minimal risk. Legitimate avenues to wealth accumulation require patience, dedication, and informed decision-making. Here are more details and 2 examples illustrating the importance of avoiding get-rich-quick schemes. Understanding the risks involved. Get-rich-quick schemes often prey on individuals' desire for quick wealth and financial freedom. They typically involve promises of exorbitant returns without a clear explanation of how those returns will be generated. These schemes rely on recruiting new participants to sustain the system, eventually collapsing when new recruits become scarce. Participants who join late in the scheme are left with financial losses, while the originators benefit at their expense. Example 1. Ponzi schemes are a classic example of get-rich-quick schemes. In a Ponzi scheme, the schemer uses funds from new investors to pay returns to earlier investors, creating an illusion of profitability. However, since the scheme relies on an ever-increasing number of new participants, it is unsustainable and eventually collapses, leaving many investors with significant financial losses. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey of personal growth and self-discovery. We hope that you have found inspiration, insights, and practical tools to unlock the power of your mind. Remember, true transformation takes time and dedication, but the rewards are immeasurable. As you continue on your path, we encourage you to embrace challenges, nurture your passions, and cultivate a mindset of growth. Together, let's create a world where each one of us can tap into our limitless potential and make a positive impact. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who are also on their journey of personal transformation. Until next time, keep exploring, keep growing, and keep unlocking the extraordinary within you. See you soon.